Are you looking to turn your passion for video creation into a source of income? Rumble.com offers a unique platform where you can upload your videos and get paid for views. Whether you are a session content creator or just starting out, let's dive into how you can monetize your content and make money with Rumble. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Rumble.com and also how you can earn money with Rumble.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Rumble.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Rumble is a video sharing platform where creators can upload and share their content. Users can make money, can earn money, draw ad revenue based on the number of views their videos receive. It offers an alternative to larger platforms, focusing on monetization opportunities. Rumble empowers creators to turn their passion into profit. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just dive into rumble.com as I said. Then you have just to come back to the top in the top right. You have just to click over sign up to get started. Also, you have the option of sign in if you want to find your account by adding your email address and your password. Then you get started and you'll find the other page, which is this one. All right, so you are now right now you have just to add your name, your username, your password, retype your password, then your email address, and you type your email address, your country, then your birthday, and we have here also optional files for selecting gender and also referral address again, and the city, state and province. Then we have postal code, phone number. Then I will just click over register after reading the terms and the privacy. And then if I'm agree, I will click over here and I will click over register, and you will find an email receive sent to your Gmail. All right, so it's from Rumble. You have just to click here to activate your account. All right, or you can just copy it and paste the followed link into your address bar and you get started. Right, then you will find this message we have here. Email has already been verified. Then you have just to go to the home page again, and you have to click over signing in, and you'll find this page as you can see. So here we have the home page. So after creating an account on Rumble, you can start uploading your videos by clicking on the upload button, and we have here the upload button as you can see. I will show you all the steps. So then you have just to fill the necessary details like title, description, text to enhance visibility. Choose your monetization options such as ad revenue, share or licensing. Engage with the community by commenting on others' videos and promoting your content on social media. Finally, use Rumble's analytics tools to track your performance and optimize your content strategy for better earnings. So let's get started. All you have to do right now is just go to my profile. I will just click over account options before getting started because I will add some information before getting started. So here we have my account information. I will have just to add my full name, my street address, the second street address, and the city, the state and province, postal and zip code. Then I will select the country, then my phone, and I will select also here the gender, the payment details, and the PayPal email address. Then we have the email address, password, and we have something in the privacy. If you want to, for example, show my video earnings publicly, I will just click over here. Then if you want to hide my username from search results, you have just to click over here. So you have just to select the one you want. All right, then you click over update once you're done. Then we have here user page display information such as profile picture. You have just to upload your photo. Then we have backsplash picture again, description, socials such as Facebook, X, Instagram, or Twitter. By the way, X is Twitter, as you can see, and you have just to add a URL for each social media, all right, or for each platform as is. Then you have just to click over update. Sorry. Then we have your political donation info such as your first name again, your last name, then your email address as you can see. Then also we have mailing address, city, the state, zip code, country, and we have employer and occupation as again the last one. Sorry. Then we have here by checking this box I certify. You have just to read this information. If you are agree, you click over here and then you click over update, and here we have your information is linking. Right, so if we could just come back, or sorry, if we scroll down and we have here on the option of earn, you'll find transactions, payment, and referrals. So I will just go to the transaction. For example, we have here processed and pending. You will find the processing and pending here, the date, amount, currency, description, and pending. Also processed, we have here pending and processed. All right. And about earning, you will find also the option of payments. We have month, start of month, earnings, adjustment, then we have payment, end of month, and we have here the total. Then we have the last one, which is important. And this is the link of my channel. As you can see, you can just share it with your friends and then you get started earning. If someone just click over this link, you will earn a commission. All right, because this is my channel, that's why. So if someone click over this link, you will find your channel and he will just watch your video. So you have just to copy this link and you paste it. You can just share it on your social media such as Instagram, TikTok, and if someone just go to your channel, you will earn money after watching your video. All right, so let's come back right now to show you how you can create a video. So right now let's just come back to the home page. We have here in the top right the option of video. As you can see, we have here three options. You will just discover all these three options. The first one, which is upload video, and here we have it, as you can see. So this is how you can upload your video. As I said and as I mentioned, right now I will show you how you can do that step by step. So here we have upload, share, and license your video. You have just to upload your video, as you can see. Then here we have the maximized file size, it's 15 gigabyte, and also you have to add your video title, your video description, then the categories you select if you want automotive, then we have here cooking, entertainment, finance, gaming, and you select the niche that you want. Also we have here select the category, as you can see. Then we have the video thumbnails, or you choose your own. Then you have here tags and optional. Then we have the visibility if you want public, listed, private, or scheduled. All right, so this is it, and then you click over upload and you upload your video and start creating a video on rumble.com. Then also we have the option of go live. About this one, you find this page, as you can see, and we have the steps that you have to follow if you want to get started and set up a new live stream. All right, the first step, which is go to rumble.com or live, or click the set up new live stream button above. Then the second step, upload a placeholder video up to 120 seconds long, which will be looped before the stream starts. Then the third step, once the placeholder is uploaded, we will provide you with a streamer configuration that consists of a streamer URL and a stream key. Then we have the fourth one, which is enter the configuration in your streaming software. Alright, you have just to get started and you click over start up a new live stream. So let's just come back right now. We'll just discovering the last one, which is Rumble Studio, and you will find this page. As you can see here, we have how you can get started if you want to just sign in with Rumble, as I did. Have your all-in-one streaming studio. Go live anywhere with Rumble Studio, and we have here some benefits like live stream to anywhere, go live on Rumble, join forces, live chat, premium moderation, canvas, premieres, RTMP participant, locals, integrations, campaigns, color queue, and clips as well. Alright. So Rumble offers a solid opportunity for creators to monetize their videos and generate income. By sharing engaging content and utilizing monetization options, you can turn your passion into a profit. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. I'll see you then in the next video.